Hello everybody, CJ Compton here at Hoover Road, Hoover Road, here in Milan, Ohio. We have a train coming, check it out, roll it. And if you cannot see this, they are about to be doing track construction here. They're putting up new rails here soon. I'll get to that here after this train passes and show you all how rough this crossing is. But anyway, in the meantime, let's worry about this train that is coming right now. Here it comes. Roll it. I think it's going slower because they're putting new rails down soon. These are not new rails that are up right now. They're right next to the old ones. But anyway, here it comes. Roll it. I don't know what this one is yet. I'll have to figure that out. I think it's the 18N. And here it comes. $113 cars, okay. Okay, so what I was going to say is that they are getting ready to put up new rails here. This goes all the way from Bellevue to about 30 miles east of here, I think. These look brand new. These don't even look like the ones in near my area. Get a good look at it too. Once this road is closed, I will not be able to come here unless I film over here and just film the trains. Here's a good look on this side of the new rails here. These new rails, it says it says on here that it was made in 2026. And we're not even in the year 2026 yet. Anyway, the symbol on that train is the Norfolk Southern 18N. The 18N starts out in Bellevue, Ohio at the Mormon Yard, heads east to Cleveland, Ohio, where it terminates. Get a good look at the new rails here, too. I'm not surprised because the old rails are very old. Since these old rails were installed during the Conrail days, or maybe during the nickel plate days, I don't know. Even I don't even know when these were put up before they put the new rails on the side here. Looks like it says it looks like it was made in 2026. I'm trying to see. It's a little hard to tell. But it looks like it says 2026. And no, we are not in the year 2026. But anyway, on this Sunday, April 13th of 2025, from CJ Compton on YouTube, get a good look on this side of the new rails as well. I'm not going to go on the tracks, I can just show you from here. They look brand new. You can see where they dug over here. I'm going to guess these will probably be installed during the summer. Here's the Erie Junction. This is CP Erie. I imagine it used to be called something else before. I don't know what it was called, because it didn't even have a junction sign here a long time ago. But anyway, I guess that's it. So let's roll it. I hope you all enjoyed, and that is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and that is it.